Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Mariko Galbo. I'm 41 years old. I have 5 kids and I'm undergraduate in Bachelor of Midwifery.
Okay, so are you married or single?
I'm married.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, ma'am. The first one in Dubai. I look after newborn baby.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the newborn baby, what is your other duties?
I cook Arabic and then I clean all of the house.
Okay, so all the household chores you
Yes,
do. And also the other one?
The other one is Singapore. And then I look after elderly couples.
Elderly couples.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the age of the elderly?
65 and 62.
Okay, so since you have experience in other country, how can you manage the homesickness?
I clean or listening music.
Okay, so you mean you make yourself busy?
Yes.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
To go another country and experience.
Okay, so also you want to support your kids,
Yes.
for their financial needs. Okay, so finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Good evening, ma'am. Please, if you take me, I do my best. I work all. I work all.
Can you promise to be a good and loyal to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise also to do your obligation and your responsibilities to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.